I'm Kurt Sampson, your EV guy with CAA Atlantic, here to talk about what's up with EVs. Electric vehicles require less maintenance than the cars we're used to, but they still require some, and my friend Chad here from Garage EV knows all about it. So Chad, what common maintenance items should EV owners expect?
Thanks, Kurt. You know, the things that commonly require maintenance on an EV are things that we're used to. Tires, suspension, cabin air filters. EV brakes should last longer, but you should still have them checked annually. And even though EVs are made with more aluminum, that doesn't mean they don't corrode.
No scheduled maintenance on the motors and batteries?
That's right, modern motors and batteries will tend to outlast a vehicle with little or no maintenance.
That's awesome. Thanks, Chad. And as the world transitions to reliable electric transportation, CAA is here to help you get there. To learn more about what's up with EVs, visit our website,